If your brand colors, fonts, or logos from Canva aren't applying across designs, yeah, that can mess up your workflow fast. Let's fix it. First, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Brand kits are tied to specific accounts or teams. Next, open your brand kit. Make sure your colors, fonts, and logos are actually saved there. If you're on a team, check permissions. You might not have access to that brand kit. Sometimes you need to apply styles manually first. Click a color or font from the brand kit to sync it. Use Canva's Styles feature. Apply full brand styles across the page in one click. Some templates override brand kit settings. Switch to a compatible template or adjust elements manually. Quick fix: refresh your browser. Sometimes changes don't sync instantly. Make sure Canva is up to date. Older versions can cause sync issues. Still not working? Duplicate your design, then reapply brand kit styles on the new file. So, check your account, confirm brand kit access, use styles, and refresh if needed. That's how you fix Canva Brand Kit not applying across designs.